How to purchase your EAFC24. So first of all, you need a Steam account, so you have to download the Steam app first. So you just open your web browser and type in Steam download. Once you search for this, here you can find the download link for Steam. And if it's for Windows, you can click on here, or if it's for Mac or any other OS, you can choose from here. So once you install Steam, you can the download link will be right here, and once you open it, the app will be downloaded. So once you have downloaded your app, your home screen should look something like this. So I'm here on my home screen, and as you can see, I've already logged into my account. So right here, I've logged into my account. Now what you want to do is go to this search bar right here and search for EA Sports, and you can see this one, EAFC24. You can click on it and it will take you to the page where you can purchase your game. And if you scroll down, you can buy the Ultimate Edition for $99.99, but I'm just gonna show you how you can do it here. So once you click this add to cart, you can view your cart directly from here. If this is not available, just go up and besides the wish list, you can find your cart. Alright, so you click on this FC24. But before we do that, you have to make sure that it's on your account. So let me go back once again. So if I go back to my cart here, as you can see, this is for my account. So you can send this as a gift to someone, but if you want to purchase it for yourself, make sure this is selected for my account, and then you can continue to payment. And this will take you to the payment method. As you can see, Steam has provided us with various methods from which you can pay. You can pay with PayPal. If you just click on continue, this will take you to the payment page directly. And let's say if you want to pay with your Visa card, then you will have to enter your card number and your details here, and then your billing information as well. And once you do that, just click on continue and you will be able to purchase the game. And that's how you can purchase EAFC 24 on your PC. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.